Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, my name is Shiv. Hello, if you're coming back then welcome. So in today's video I'm filming this look right here and I'm joking. I don't have any makeup on, I've just freshly moisturised my face. In today's video we're going to be doing a super quick in under 15 minutes hair and makeup for school or work, to be completely honest. It's a very natural and very quick and easy. You can lay out all your products on your windowsill, on your dressing table, wherever you do your makeup and just grab and go. So if you'd like to see a really quick easy routine, then please carry on watching. Before you do, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It honestly means the absolute world. And let's just put some makeup on this face in 15 minutes. And a quick to sort the hair out. So quickly, just want to add in, you can do this with straight hair or curly hair. Just if you want something a little bit fancier to feel a little bit, you know, more put together, curl your hair the night before, sleep in it with like tight curls so you haven't brushed them out, and then it will look a little bit more put together. So let's begin. I'm gonna set a timer for 15 minutes. I don't know yet, can you see that? Here we go. Okay, so for the hair, I've already brushed it out with my Tangle teaser. Then I'm gonna take some Batiste Dry Shampoo. This is the scent Blush. Any dry shampoo will do, just to kind of give your hair a little bit of something. So I'm just gonna spray this directly in the roots of my hair underneath, just randomly, just to give it a little bit of lift, just so it doesn't look so flat. Obviously if you have like really big voluminous hair, then you know you do not need to do this. However, I have very fine thin hair that gets greasy quickly. Okay, so I've just put some dry shampoo in there. Now I'm just going to run my fingers just like this to kind of like smooth it out, make it feel a little bit more fresh. And then what I'm going to do is take one of these clips, and I actually used to do this hairstyle in school. So I literally just tuck my hair behind my ears, pull out a few pieces. Obviously you have shorter, obviously if you have shorter bangs this will look a little bit nicer, but I only have little ones. Just take a few bits of hair and then just grab your hair in the back, brush it with your fingers like that. And what I would do is just twist my hair all the way around and then pin it up at the back of the head like this, and then get one of these big old butterfly clips and then have a little wriggle so you can make sure you get all of the hair on the scalp. And then you just twist it around like this. You have this really cute little 2-second hairstyle. So cute. Okay, right, we don't have time to spare. We're in a rush for school. So you have washed your face in the morning, brushed your teeth, put some moisturiser on, and now, very important, now it's time for SPF. So important, you guys. Look after your skin. Even while you're young, trust me, you will thank yourself in 10, 15, 20 years time. You will thank yourself. And it protects from skin cancer, which is very important. So I have the Kiehl's Ultralight Daily UV Defense SPF 50, so we are protected from that sun. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. Comes out quite quickly, don't need a lot of it at all. Take some in your hands and then just apply this all over the face, concentrating on the areas that get hit by the sun at first. So usually the nose, across the cheeks, and just smooth that all across the face. So our face is nice and protected from the sun. For foundation, I'm going to mix a little bit of the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour wear hydrating foundation. I feel like it's better to go with the hydrating foundation. And then I'm going to mix it with a little bit of highlighter. This just adds like a little something. If you've got amazing skin, don't touch it. Put a little bit of BB cream on, tinted moisturiser, or just leave it alone completely. I love the look of natural skin personally, but I do love a full coverage. I'm in two minds. So I'm going to take a flat top kabuki style brush, pump a little bit of foundation onto there, and then I'm going to take my liquid illuminator. This is the NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator in the shade Sunbeam. Squeeze some onto the brush. If I want more coverage I can always add more foundation. I'm just going to dot that all across the face and then just buff this in. Always buff it down the neck so your foundation matches your body. Then I'm going to take my Rimmel Match Perfection concealer. This is in the shade Ivory. Use whatever shade that you need. And I'm going to use this to spot conceal. So I'm going to pop some on my actual spots and then under the eyes. Sorry if you can hear background noise. People have just got into my house. Put some of that right under the eyes to really brighten the areas. That's probably a little bit close, but I am rushing. In the middle of the brows, cover that little guy. Got some blemishes around here, just like that. Honestly, I think that's all you really need. Then take the flat top kabuki brush again and just dab that over. This little guy needs some more love. Then I'm going to set this into place using the Primark My Perfect Colour Mattifying Powder in the shade Ivory. This is only £2 and it's so good, and if you are prone to like oiliness or anything, I know a lot of younger people have more oilier skin, you'll love this. It's so good. Pick it up from Primark for £2. Just press that all into the skin. Just kind of set this into place, and then you can just chuck it in your bag ready for school or work. Then I'm going to use the same brush for my bronzer. This is the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sunglow. Just using the same brush. Back in, and then just bronze up the outer 3 of your face. This will just add a nice little glow and stop you looking so 2D from the foundation. And only a little bit of this, honestly, goes such a long way. And then you can just kind of rub the brush on the back of your arm for your face powder if you need to top up during the day. This isn't a, like, you know, super glam like makeup tutorial at all. It's a quick and easy how to make yourself feel a bit more put together. Then for blush, £1.50 from Primark. This is in the shade Taboo. I love this blush, I use it all the time. It's a dupe for MAC Peaches, so I'm going to take some of that, just top that on my cheeks. Then just take any blending brush, this is from Primark, and then go into the bronzer that you used and just run that back and forth through the crease. Because it's bronzer, you do not have to be neat with this. This will just add a little bit of definition around the eyes. Blend and blend and blend. Ignore this, when I washed my face before I filmed this video, I like knocked off the top of the spot and now it's bleeding, so that wouldn't usually happen. Going straight over. Then highlighter. This one is from MAC, but you can get ones really cheap from Revolution for like £1, £2. This is Soft and Gentle from MAC. I'm using this one because it's not very intense. Just taking a little teeny tiny little bit of that and just honestly just touching my cheekbones for a little natural glow. Nothing insane at all. Bish bash bosh, done. Then to finish the look, grab some tinted brow gel, whatever is closest to your natural brows. This is Maybelline's Brow Drama in the shade Medium Brown, and just run that through your brows. I just quickly had to restart the timer because my camera battery died, but I'm just going to brush through those brows like I was saying with the Maybelline Brow Drama, and it honestly makes so much difference to your face if you don't have time to like actually fill in your eyebrows. So next up, eyelash curlers, so essential. These honestly make such a difference. Don't be scared of them. Just make sure you don't have your skin in the clamp while you clamp down and you will be fine. Hold it for a little while, a few seconds, let go. And honestly, like, look at the difference. Crazy. And then it just curl the other side. Most schools will let you wear mascara. Mine did. Mine were funny about wearing like coloured eye makeup and stuff like that. I remember I wore green and blue eyeshadow and they got really funny about it. Mascara, this is Revlon's Volumizing Mascara. I'd recommend popping on a waterproof just because school can be messy, you guys. So pop on a little bit of mascara. I'm just going to do the top ones to make them look a little bit more like doe-eyed. When I was in school, people would literally put on the spoon. It's going all the way down my hand. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. People would put mascara all the way across literally like every single eyelash so much they would literally look like they had 4 eyelashes, and that was a trend when I was in school. But a little bit of mascara is just enough to open up those beautiful eyes. Lovely. Lips. This is the Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint in the shade 220 Pink IRL, and you literally just twist it up and then dot it on your lips, and a teeny bit goes such a long way. just take your finger and just dab that in so it looks as natural as possible. And that is it, and that I have finished with 1 minute 32, give or take, to spare. So, you know, guys, I'm just turning my time off. You can do it. 15 minutes just to make yourself look more put together, and this would work for anyone. Just adjust it to suit your skin tone. If you just want a tinted lip balm, go for it. If you do want a little bit of mascara, go for it. Just be careful what your school allows. This is also perfect for work as well. Just to quickly put together, 15 minutes, bish bash bosh, done. Out the good door, out the good door, out the good door. Going to do your errands and win at life. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is the finished natural makeup look, and if you did like it, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It means the world, and I shall see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.